Hello everyone, welcome back to Talent Battle channel. So friends, this is our day 8 of our series on off-campus jobs. So those who are new to our channel, we have just started a series on off-campus jobs. We are consistently providing the off-campus jobs, especially for the freshers batch, where you can watch the video and according to your interest, you can apply for the full-time jobs or else you can also apply for the internship opportunities. So let's see today's hiring for our series on off-campus jobs. So our first hiring is from Tower Research Capital, where they are hiring for their ML intern, where you will be joining their core AI and machine learning team. So as they are hiring for the specific machine learning role, then you should be having prior experience in machine learning and its models. Either you should be having any project or any internship experience related to machine learning. So any candidates, those who have just completed or who are in their final or pre-final year of their degree with a bachelor's, master's or PhD degree from any university can apply for this internship. So if you get selected, then you will be working from their office from May 2025. So basically they are hiring for their summer internship, and along with the experience in machine learning, you should be also having knowledge in Linux, SQL with a strong command in Python language. Now talking about the perks, you will be getting a handsome stipend along with the various facilities. Our second hiring is from RideCell, where they are hiring for their backend intern for Pune location. So any pre-final year or final year candidate from any universities or from any branches can apply for this hiring, where you should be having knowledge in Python, APIs with the testing and debugging skills. The skills which are mentioned under the minimum qualification is the mandatory skills which you should be having while applying for this internship, and the skills which are mentioned under the preferred qualification are not mandatory, but if you are having these skills, then it can be an advantage for this role. So these were the two hirings from Tower Research Capital and RideCell. So you can apply for both these hirings if you are in your college and seeking to apply for any summer internship opportunity. Then this internship can play a vital role in your career. And I keep on telling in all my videos that internship is a golden opportunity that you can convert it into a full-time offer. So if you perform good during your internship, then you may get a full-time offer. So consider our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Also, if you face any difficulties, then do comment down below. And if you want me to make any specific videos related to any specific role or batches, then also comment down below. So we will meet in the next hiring update. Till then, thank you.